Where is the closest pharmacy?
It's just 2 blocks away.
What did you do over the weekend?
We went hiking in the mountains.
Are you still coming to the party?
Yes, I wouldn't miss it for anything.
What's on the agenda for today?
A few appointments and then some paperwork.
How long have you lived here?
For about 5 years now.
Did you find what you were looking for?
Yes, thank you so much for your help.
Can you recommend a good book?
You should read The Midnight Library.
How do you make this dish?
It's a simple recipe. I can send it to you.
Is the library open on Sundays?
I believe it is, but with limited hours.
What's the best coffee you've had?
The one I had in Italy was incredible.
Are you almost ready to go?
Just putting on my shoes now.
How much does this cost?
It's $15.99.
How was your flight?
It was a bit turbulent, but fine.
What time did you get home?
Around midnight.
Is it raining outside?
No, but it looks like it might.
What are you listening to?
A new album by my favorite band.
Have you tried this restaurant?
Not yet, but I've heard great things.
What's your favorite movie genre?
I really enjoy action films.
Can you describe what happened?
There was a small fender bender,
How are you feeling today?
a bit under the weather, to be honest.
What's your favorite season?
Definitely autumn with all the colors.
Are you getting enough sleep?
Not really, I've been staying up late.
What are you cooking?
Just a simple pasta dish.
Did you receive the package?
Yes, it arrived this morning.
What's your job?
I work as a graphic designer.
Are you from around here?
No, I'm just visiting.
What are your weekend plans?
Going to a concert and a museum.
How's your new car?
It's running great so far.
What do you want for your birthday?
I haven't really thought about it.
Can I get you something to drink?
I'm good, thank you.
Did you finish your homework?
Almost, just one more problem.
What's the address?
It's 123 Main Street.
How was your doctor's appointment?
It went well.
What's the capital of Canada?
Ottawa.
Are you coming to the game?
I'm not sure yet. I have a lot to do.
What's the weather like there?
It's sunny and warm.
Can you send me the file?
Yes, I'll email it to you.
Did you enjoy your meal?
It was delicious.
What's the name of this song?
I think it's Blinding Lights.
How did the presentation go?
I was a bit nervous, but it was fine.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a scientist.
Are you feeling tired?
A little bit, yeah.
Did you remember your wallet?
Oh, thanks for reminding me.
What do you think of this outfit?
It looks great on you.
Are you busy tomorrow?
No, my schedule is pretty clear.
What's the best time to call?
Anytime after 6 p.m. is good.
How do you know him?
We met in college.
What's the name of that movie?
It's called Oppenheimer.
Are you going to the store later?
I might. Do you need anything?
What's the matter?
Nothing. I'm just lost in thought.
How's your new job?
I'm still getting used to it, but I like it.
Can you show me how to do this?
Sure, it's pretty simple.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy painting and playing guitar.
Did you have a good time?
It was a lot of fun.
What's your favorite band?
Queen.
How long is the drive?
About 45 minutes without traffic.
Can you believe it's almost the end of the year?
I know, time flies.
What's the date today?
It's September 20th.
Are you still working on that?
Yes, it's taking longer than I thought.
What's the population of the world?
Over 8 billion people.
How did you meet your partner?
We were introduced by a mutual friend.
What's the weather forecast for the week?
Looks like a lot of rain.
Did you get tickets for the concert?
Yes, I got them online.
What are you drinking?
Just some iced tea.
How do you spell that?
Computer.
Are you free this evening?
I'm going to a friend's house.
What's your favorite animal?
A dog.
How did you learn to speak French?
I studied abroad in Paris.
Did you hear about the new law?
No, what is it?
What's your favorite type of food?
I love Mexican food.
How long have you been doing that?
For a couple of years now?
Can I have a word with you?
Of course, what is it?
What's the temperature inside?
It's a comfortable 72 degrees.
Did you bring your umbrella?
No, I left it at home.
What's the plan for the weekend?
We're going to the beach.
How do I get to the train station?
You can take the bus from here.
What's the most beautiful place you visited?
Probably the Swiss Alps.
Did you try the new coffee shop?
Yes, their lattes are fantastic.
How long is the movie?
About 2 hours.
What's on your mind?
Just thinking about my to-do list.
Have you ever been skydiving?
No, but I'd love to try it someday.
What's your biggest fear?
I'm afraid of heights.
How do you know that?
I read about it in the news.
What's the best way to relax?
I like to listen to music.
Did you get your hair cut?
Yes, just a little trim.
How was your flight?
It was smooth, no turbulence.
What time are you going to bed?
I'm planning on going to bed early tonight.
Can you recommend a good podcast?
Yes, The Daily is a great one.
What's your favorite season of the year?
I love the winter season.
Are you busy?
A little bit. What do you need?
What do you want to eat?
I'm in the mood for sushi.
What's your favorite song?
Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen.
What's your sign?
I'm a Leo.
How long does it take to get to the airport?
About 30 minutes with no traffic.
What's the name of your dog?
His name is Max.